Hello, everybody. Thought I'd give you guys a behind the scene of what we do here. So this is the shop. So right now we've got some active testing going on. Here's Brielle. She's been with us for 12 years. She's using the first generation 3R1. They're currently racing together. Gran Turismo 7 on PS5 using PSVR. Over here we've got my dad, Richard. He's using one of the first versions 3R2. As you can see, it's set up with a car seat. He's running a Logitech RS50. Now, the screen's black for a reason, and I'll get to that in just a sec. So as you can see here, here's the adjusted pedal plates set up with the pedals. And this is a quick monitor prototype that we built real quick with a tray for the PlayStation 5. Again, completely self-sufficient unit. Now, what we did here, what we wanted to do, was test to see what kind of telemetry was coming out of the PlayStation 5 so we can use it with motion. So what we did is we set up another version of the 3R1 with motion actuators and SimHub. And what we did is we're pulling the telemetry from Gran Turismo. And what we inadvertently did was created a ride-along ride. And this is Melanie. And she's currently sitting on the 3R1 with the tripod motion system. And now what we have is two people racing and one observer that gets to interact and have fun with it as well. So what we did here with this one is because the rig is so rigid, we were able to get away with one actuator on the front. And what that does is it gives us an entire fourth actuator that we've got set up right now, just not hooked up, but for sway and traction slip. All right. Thanks for watching.